So now we are going to see keyword arguments. Okay. So what is keyword arguments in Python? Again, we are going to take function example. Okay. We can define the function with def statement. Here I am taking a symbol sum function. Okay. It is going to add the four numbers. Okay. So this sum function has actually four arguments, A, B, C, D, four arguments. No. So just we are going to add all the arguments, and then this function will return the same. Okay, the addition of all the four arguments will come as return value of this function sum. Okay, so now here this one is called, this is called function. Again, this one is calling function, the main function. So in this function we are going to call this sum function. Okay, since it's a called function, so this calling function is going to call this sum function. So the sum, we are calling the same, we have to use the same name, no, sum with arguments. Here the keyword arguments, no, the term is coming, no, all these are arguments. So we are passing the value to all the arguments. No, we can use the keys also, that's what it is called, keyword argument. So you are passing the values of arguments with their respective keys A, B, C, D. Now we are passing some values, A as 15, and then 25 to B, and then 45 to C, 75 to D. Okay, so we are calling the function sum. So all the values will go to the called function, and then it will get add, and then it return the same value as output. So here we are getting the value and print the value. Output of this one is 160. So this is keyword argument. The arguments are passing from calling function to called function with their respective values. Okay, then in the same way, some more example also where we can see, this is again function using a def statement. We have defined a function, employee function. So in this function we are having some detail about the employee. Okay, name and salary, some basic detail as arguments of this employee function. Okay, so just we are printing the name and salary of the salary of some particular employee. Okay, for example I am taking this, then it returns the same. Okay, just get the value and then print the value and return the same value to the calling function or the main function. Okay, here again we can see the keyword arguments. Okay, we are passing the here name and salary. We are passing the name Rama to the argument name, and then we are providing the value 50,000 to the key salary. Okay, then the output with, you will get the same what value you are passing. Now you will be getting the same value as output. Okay, so in this case we are having two arguments actually. So in another case, here we are having only one argument. Actually we are not giving the value to the another one the argument. So if you are not giving any value to the argument, the by default value will get. Okay, the value get replaced by the by default value. Actually here the name only we are giving. So the name and then salary, we are not providing any salary here. Now the salary argument is missing here when calling that function employee. So the default value 25,000 is printed here. See the value here. So if we are not giving any value, means by default value of the argument will be taken. Okay, and the same will get printed. Here we are submitting the value now, name and then salary. So we are giving two values. So the same thing is getting printed here. Here we are not giving the value, even though we are not giving any value to the argument. The default value has been taken and default value is getting printed here. Okay, so this is the way the keyword arguments are using in Python language. Okay, remain thing we will see in the following videos. Bye.